Hello, and welcome back to the Life in English podcast. It's so nice to be here with you today.
Hi everyone. I'm Jen and I'm super excited for today's episode.
And I'm Kevin, and yes, Jen is always excited. But today we have a really useful topic.
Haha, that's true. Today, we are talking about something we all do, every single day.
Exactly. We are talking about describing your daily routine and your morning habits.
It's perfect for A2 learners because we use these phrases all the time. It's very practical English.
So, let's begin with the basics, the first main concept. We need to learn some key verbs.
Oh yes. The most important verbs for your daily routine. For example, to wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good one, Jen. Then, after you wake up, you get up. That means you leave your bed.
Right. So, I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:05. Ha ha ha.
Haha, me too. I need 5 more minutes in bed. Then, what do you do?
Well, I usually have a shower or take a shower. Both are correct.
Yes. And after the shower I get dressed. I put on my clothes.
Then, breakfast is very important. I have breakfast or eat breakfast.
I love breakfast. I drink coffee. A lot of coffee.
Haha, I see. And then, you brush your teeth, very important after coffee.
Oh, absolutely. And maybe you comb your hair or style your hair.
Then, you go to work or go to school. Or maybe you work from home.
Exactly. So those are the basic morning verbs. Wake up, get up, have a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, brush your teeth, go to work.
But we also need to talk about time. How do we say when we do these things?
Good point. We use at for a specific time. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast at 8.
We use in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night.
Right. So, I work in the morning and in the afternoon. I relax in the evening.
And we use simple present tense for routines. I work, you work, he works, she works.
Yes, because it's a habit, something we do regularly. Now, let's go deeper. Main concept number 2.
Let's talk about the details, the little things we do, and let's share some personal stories, maybe some funny habits.
Okay, I'll start. My morning routine is not perfect. Haha. I told you, I wake up and I don't get up immediately.
Oh, me too. I check my phone. It's a bad habit, I know. I look at the time, I check my messages.
The famous phone check. Yes, I do that too, but then I really need to get up because my cat is hungry.
You have a cat? Oh, that's nice. So your cat is part of your morning routine.
Yes, absolutely. After I get up, I feed my cat. Her name is Whiskers. She meows very loudly.
Ha ha ha, I can imagine. My routine is different. I don't have a pet, but I do some exercise in the morning.
Really? Every morning? That's impressive.
Well, I try to. I do some stretches. Just for 5 or 10 minutes. It helps me feel awake.
That's a good habit. I drink my first coffee before I do anything else. It's my ritual.
So your first action is, go to the kitchen and make coffee?
Exactly. I walk to the kitchen, I turn on the coffee machine, and I wait. It's a quiet moment.
I understand. For me, the shower is my quiet moment. I think about my day in the shower.
That's interesting. So our routines are personal. They are not the same for everyone.
Exactly. And we use different adverbs to describe how we do things, like usually, sometimes, always, never.
Great point. So, I usually drink 2 cups of coffee. I sometimes skip breakfast if I'm late.
And I always brush my teeth after breakfast. I never forget.
And what about weekends? Is your routine different on Saturday and Sunday?
Oh yes. On weekends, I never wake up early. I usually wake up at 9 or 10 o'clock.
Same for me. And I don't make coffee immediately. I stay in bed and read a book or listen to music.
That sounds lovely. So our weekend routine is slower, more relaxed.
Yes. Now, let's do a model dialogue. Let's imagine a very common situation.
Okay, let's role play. We are two friends, and we are talking about our mornings before work.
Perfect. I'll start. Hi Jen, how are you this morning?
Hi Kevin, I'm good, but a little tired. I woke up late today.
Oh no, what time did you wake up?
I woke up at 8 o'clock. My alarm didn't ring.
8 o'clock? Wow. So, what did you do? Did you have time for breakfast?
No, I didn't have breakfast. I got up quickly, I had a very fast shower, and I got dressed.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, of course. I always brush my teeth. But I didn't comb my hair very well. Look.
Ha ha ha, your hair looks okay. And how did you come to work?
I ran to the bus stop. I never run, but today I ran. I was late.
Well, you are here now. Do you want some coffee? I have an extra cup.
Oh, yes please. You are a lifesaver, Kevin. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next time, set 2 alarms.
Haha, good idea. I will.
Okay, that was our little role play. Did you hear the verbs? Woke up, got up, had a shower, got dressed, brushed, combed, ran.
And the questions. What time did you wake up? Did you have breakfast? Very useful for conversation.
Now, let's move to our tips and review section. Let's make a list of the most essential phrases from today.
Number 1. I wake up at time. For example, I wake up at 6:30.
Number 2. I get up and have a shower.
Number 3. I get dressed and have breakfast.
Number 4. I brush my teeth and comb my hair.
Number 5. I go to work or I start work.
And don't forget the adverbs, usually, sometimes, always, never. I usually drink tea. I never skip breakfast.
Also, for questions, what time do you wake up? Do you have breakfast? How do you go to work?
Perfect. Try to make your own sentences with these phrases. Describe your morning to yourself in the mirror.
Haha, that's a good idea. Or tell a friend. Practice is very important.
Now, we are near the end of the episode, but before we finish, we have a question for you, our amazing listeners.
Yes, we want to know about your habits. This is our viral call to action.
Are you ready? Here is the question. What is the one thing you always do in the morning, and the one thing you never do?
For example, I always drink water. I never check my email immediately. What about you?
Tell us in the comments below on YouTube. Try to answer in English. We will read your comments.
Yes, please write. I always and I never. It will be so interesting to read your routines.
Thank you so much for listening to Life in English podcast today. We hope you learned something useful.
If you liked this episode, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
It really helps us. Until next time, have a wonderful day and a great morning routine.
Bye everyone. See you next week.
Goodbye.